Hello, Jason Fladlin here, and through these videos I'm going to take you through some of the applications that you should consider using depending upon what you're going to do with your fan pages. Okay, the first one we're going to do is the fan apps one. Okay, now so for applications in your edit, when you go to actually edit the page, in this case we're on the simple blogging tutorials page, we would go to more applications, browse more. Now you can do this a few ways. You can click on business or whichever one and browse through each one of those and see which ones you like, or you can type in the search for apps here. So I'm going to type in fan apps with a Z. Okay, fan apps is great because it allows you to create top fives, it allows you to create polls, and it allows you to create quizzes all in one. So let's click on this. Okay, and then we're going to click add to my page. Then we're going to select the page we want to add it to, which is right there. Okay, so it's added, and so now let's go back to our page on the simple blogging tutorials. Okay, here we are, so now it should be added. So there it is, fan apps. Okay, so let's go and now click edit. Once we click edit, it just asks us request permission to do the following. So we say yes, we allow that. And now here you are. So with the fan apps content, create a top five with custom content, create a top five with fan apps content, create a poll, or create a quiz. Okay, so let's start and create a top five with custom content. Okay, since we're just starting a new one, we click on create new content group, and then we can put name and an image that's required. Okay, so in this case I'm just going to fill out a few names and add some images, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. So I'm going to pause the video and do that really quickly. Okay, so you see I've added in all five images. I just picked some thumbnails here as an example, and then we could add more images if we want to. We can click on next step after we give our images here. Hold on a second. Okay, we need to give a content group title. Okay, so we could say, top five plugins, for example, if we were going to do WordPress, right? And then we click on next step. All right, we give your top five a title. Okay, top five WordPress plugins. Okay, let's just do that one and click next step. And now we must choose five images. Okay, so we'll just pick five here. And then you could name these images whatever name that you'd actually want to call them. In this case, we'd name them WordPress plugins, right? Now we click preview. Okay, and then it'll just show this thing here where you can actually see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Just like you see here. See how I did that? Clicked on one here, and then clicked down here on another one. So now I've put them in an order, top 5 right here. Okay, and then we can click publish. And then if we automatically want to integrate it to the blog, we can say, here's my top 5 favorite WordPress plugins. Okay, then we click publish, and it will say this page is now done and you can view it. Okay, so you can actually promote the following link to your fans or follow the instructions. Okay, so you can share this. It's very easy to share it, and you can read more of this information here if you wish to. For now, let's just click on that link and see where it shows us there. Okay, so under our top 5, it would show you under the apps, the fan apps app. Okay, so if we actually go to the site on Facebook, cause see how it advertises it for you in the fan apps page, which people do search. So that's one way you want to get traffic with this. You'll see that it's posted on the wall already. Simple blogging tutorial. Here's my 5 top favorite plugins, and then you can click on this one, and then each one you click on here, you'll see then people can choose their own top 5 plugins. Okay, and share it with friends. Okay, again, view all, pick it up, share it with friends. Okay, and now let's just look at it from a user standpoint here. Let me go back really quickly, and let's see, under these we have boxes, and you will see, let me scoot it over here, you have other things, polls slash quizzes, my listings. So I could literally click on polls, quizzes, and you can see it here. So you have put your top 5 choices, and now people who see this can create their own top 5s. Okay, so if a friend came up there, they could take the 5 ones you chose and they could rank them. Alright, so let me go to actually the Facebook fan page here. And from a user point of view, if I was another user, if I actually wasn't logged in here, you can see that they have the different things here that I could click on. Polls and quizzes. Possible choices include, and then these people could rank these choices based on the links here, these different images. As you can see here, if I click on this image, it will let me actually view all these and rank them. And so, by the way, did you notice that you can put more than 5 options and then people can pick their top 5, okay? So you can get exposure this way because it goes to the fan apps page and people search top 5s within the fan apps page. They look for top 5s, and then other people will say they like this, so you'll get some love, some like, which will help your page even get more viral effect. And at the same time, you will create more content automatically for your members, more polls and quizzes over them for them to get to. You'll get traffic, and more people will want to come to your page, and more people will want to stay on your page. Okay, so that's that app. It's the Fans app. That's the first part of that app. Okay, so now let's go back and tweak it some more. Okay, let's go and let's close this and click on Edit Page. What we've done here is for the fan apps, we've added in the top 5. Now we can click edit on fan apps and we can create another top 5 if we wish to, or we could create a poll. Okay, so let's create a poll. Click on create a poll, and for a question you could do something like this: what is your favorite free WordPress theme? Right? And then it's optional if you want to choose a poll photo or not, and what are your possible choices. Okay, you could add up to 20 choices, and you could even add in more images, but I could say something like, it's like WordPress. We'll just do this. What is your favorite free WordPress theme site, right? So our choices could be like, freewpthemes.com. Our second choice could be premium themes for free.com, and we could add another choice and do oswd.org. Now we can continue to add choices and add images, or we can add videos. If you wanted to, you could add videos. Okay, then you click preview here, and then you click publish, and then you can say, hey, check out this new poll where you can vote for your favorite WP free themes. So you literally could upload a video for each of the choices and people could watch it where you walk through each site very quickly. Then you could use those videos both in YouTube for traffic and on your Facebook fan page, okay? And then you can click publish. It says this page is now visible on the page's wall and yada yada yada. Okay, so if we go back, see again, we could share these and have people vote through the fan apps page, which is great. And again, you can look at this and read through it for some more information. But let's just go back now over to, from a user standpoint, say this was like a friend of yours was looking in. Let's actually go back to a page, back to the simple blogging here. So this is what it looks like here. If we actually go to the wall, see simple blogging tutorials, hey, check out this new poll where you can vote for your favorite WP themes, right? And if we click on polls and quizzes, what's your favorite site? And you can vote, you click vote, and then you can pick the one that you want, right? And you can click vote. Now you have to log in to actually vote though, okay? But if you did log in to vote, you can vote, you can view results, you can share this on a fan page, which I think is great because again, you can get more traffic, and if somebody else votes, they can share it with their friends and you can get more traffic. That's why Facebook fan pages are so powerful, because of this viral effect that happens automatically, okay? And you don't have to know any technical stuff. You saw how easy it was to set that up. Okay, let's do one more. So let's go back to the simple blogging theme. And finally, we have the top 5s, the polls, and we can also do quizzes, okay? And so we go to fan page edit. This time we create a quiz. And then you could make quizzes based on whatever type of quiz that you want to create. How well do you know? For this quiz, create questions testing your fans' knowledge about something or someone, or testing them about what someone is most like. Okay, so we create begin, click on begin to create quiz, right? And then you choose a name, you can upload an image, okay? You can enter a description. And so, example quiz, description of quiz here. And then after you do that, you can set up your questions. So you can have as many questions as you want. You can click on a question, you can add your answers, and then you can select which one is the correct answer. And again, it still has the same viral effect as all the other ones. So that application is Fan Apps, this right here. To add it is very simple. You just go into your editing area of your page, click on Browse More Applications, and then do a search for Fan Apps. Okay, FANAPPZ, add it, and then when you're done, configure it properly here. Okay, so that's that one. I'll show you on the next video another plugin that you should consider using.